When you've got a place to call your own, you'll do a lot to take care of it and keep things running smoothly, from mowing the lawn in the summer to shoveling snow in the winter. But who takes care of the pipes and wiring that connects your house to utility gas, electric, and water lines? Who owns those? You do. When these fail due to everyday wear and tear, you're responsible for the cost of the repairs, which are not typically covered by homeowners insurance. So if a water pipe bursts or your home's electrical wiring fails, you could be paying thousands of dollars in repair costs. Now for some great news. When you enroll in a UtilityShield protection plan from IGS Home Warranty, you know who takes care of those repairs. IGS does. In fact, our protection limits actually exceed the average cost of repairs, with total coverage up to $26,500. When your home's pipes and wiring fails you, we'll take care of the cost and schedule the repair through a local certified contractor. This saves you the time and energy of looking for a qualified repair technician. By enrolling in a UtilityShield protection plan, you can protect your home from costly repairs in the future. Valuable protection, guaranteed service, and no risk. We've got you covered.